Hello dear friends, welcome back to Shomin Nath's YouTube channel. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon if you want to get notification of each and every update about industry and education. With this, we are going to start now. Can you identify this place? Yes, this is basically a corporate classroom. When I started my career way back, that time I also used to sit in these chairs, and trainers were there who delivers face to face interactions as well as face to face discussion sessions. But now, this COVID 19 and post COVID 19 pandemic changed the entire scenario of the world. So, will it be possible to see this corporate classrooms once again? According to Forbes, which has been published in May 16, 2020, corporate education will never return to the classroom. Now, there are numerous conversations with different human resource officers as well as human resource managers, corporate trainers, corporate educators, as well as the human resource management team. All of them concluded that companies around the globe becomes quite clear that corporate education and training will never return to in-person classroom. Why they're talking about this? There will be exceptions definitely, and where training will be necessary in persons, like physical equipments like engineering sectors as well as other sectors where it requires like medical labs, etc., where this in-person training is definitely is a must. But apart from that, any education and training that can be done online will be done online. And there are several reasons for it. First of all, companies already realize that it can do wonder. How? Because it's faster, it's effective, as well as it's less expensive as compared to the face to face interaction. While employees are also preferring it because they can learn it from their home also. So, these online training programs will definitely save the time for the companies, and all the companies are basically ready to adopt this technology. So, if you want to get updated with the latest news and information, please do subscribe Shomin Nath YouTube channel. Thank you very much.